Debate continues. When should schools reopen their campuses? Well, a local nanny says she got infected with the coronavirus from the 3-year-old that she was taking care of. The nanny says the child was exposed at his pre-K program. NBC Bay Area's Melissa Colorado has more on the risks that child care providers are facing.
Saw that I had a fever and I was coughing a lot, and I thought it was because of the smoke.
It wasn't the wildfire smoke that got into Taylor Lupetti's lungs. It was COVID-19. But it's who the aspiring teacher believes she got it from that stunned her.
I was just really shocked that I got it from a 3-year-old. I guess I always thought the kids were a little bit less susceptible to it.
Lupetti says as of last week, she was working as a nanny for a family in the East Bay, taking care of 2 brothers.
A kid that I nanny went to a daycare where a teacher was tested positive, and after working with the kid for about 3 days, I started to show symptoms.
Lupetti says the 3-year-old came down with a fever and soon recovered after testing positive. Her symptoms were mild as well.
Can't really taste or smell. I've had a pretty bad headache.
According to new figures released yesterday by the state's Department of Social Services, nearly 300 cases of COVID-19 were reported in Bay Area child care facilities. Alameda County saw the highest number of cases. Lupetti says she is living proof that it's just too soon to reopen schools.
We need to make sure that going back to school can be as safe as possible, not only for students and teachers, but for everybody that they come in contact with.
You can hear them, I'm sure. They're always, excited and loud.
Madison Mills is another nanny in the East Bay who is trying to navigate the new normal.
I deal with 3 families, and they come to one house every day.
She says families and child care providers need to have open lines of communication.
In this situation, I feel pretty good and pretty secure, and I think I trust the families that I'm working for.
In Oakland, Melissa Colorado, NBC Bay Area News.
It is a dicey situation.
Yeah, our nannies are like our family members.